Have you ever wondered what a seasoned traveler actually packs when they hit the road at 65 and beyond? Today we're diving deep into my personal suitcase to reveal the surprising secrets that have transformed my travel experience after decades of exploring the world. I'm about to show you items that will shock you, packing strategies that airlines don't want you to know about, and the one essential item that saved my entire vacation in Portugal last month. My name is Margaret, and at 72 years old, I've visited 47 countries across 6 continents. But here's what nobody tells you about traveling as a senior: everything you think you know about packing becomes completely irrelevant once you cross that magical age threshold. The strategies that worked in your 30s and 40s will actually work against you now, and I learned this the hard way during a disastrous trip to New Zealand 3 years ago. Let me start with the most controversial item in my luggage that always raises eyebrows at security checkpoints. This small black device looks innocent enough, but it's actually my secret weapon against one of the biggest challenges senior travelers face. And no, it's not what you think. This is a portable door alarm, and before you roll your eyes, let me explain why this tiny gadget has become absolutely essential for my peace of mind. Hotel security isn't what it used to be, and as we age, we become more vulnerable targets for opportunistic criminals. This alarm creates a piercing sound if anyone tries to enter my room while I'm sleeping, giving me those crucial seconds to react or call for help. Last year in Barcelona, this device alerted me to someone attempting to use a keycard on my door at 2 in the morning. Hotel management later discovered it was a maintenance worker who had been fired the previous week but still had access to master keys. Now let's talk about the item that most people pack incorrectly, especially seniors who think they need to bring their entire medicine cabinet. Here's my prescription bottle organization system that has eliminated every medication mix-up and customs issue I've ever encountered. Instead of bringing original bottles, I use these weekly pill organizers with clear compartments labeled for morning, afternoon, and evening doses. But here's the crucial part that most travelers miss: I photograph every prescription label with my phone before transferring pills, and I keep a printed copy of all prescriptions in a separate compartment. This saved me during a medical emergency in Rome when doctors needed to know exactly what medications I was taking and their dosages. The hospital staff was amazed at how organized everything was, and it likely prevented dangerous drug interactions. The next item will surprise you because it's something most people associate with children, not sophisticated senior travelers. This is my collapsible walking stick, and it's not about mobility issues, it's about smart travel strategy. This stick serves 5 different purposes that have nothing to do with walking support. First, it becomes an instant luggage mover when airport wheels break or malfunction. Second, it's perfect for reaching items in overhead bins without asking for help from strangers. Third, it works as a hotel room security device by wedging under door handles. Fourth, it's excellent for maintaining balance on uneven cobblestone streets that are everywhere in European cities. Fifth, and this is my favorite use, it's the ultimate personal space creator in crowded tourist areas. People automatically give you more room when they see the walking stick, which means less jostling in museums, easier navigation through crowds, and more respectful behavior from pushy tourists. I discovered this accidentally during a trip to Paris, and now I wouldn't travel without it even though I'm perfectly capable of walking unassisted. Here's something that will change your entire packing philosophy: my compression cube system specifically designed for senior travelers. These aren't regular packing cubes that you see travel bloggers promoting. These are medical-grade compression bags that reduce clothing volume by 70% while keeping everything wrinkle-free and easily accessible. The genius is in how I organize them by day and activity rather than by clothing type. Each cube contains a complete outfit including undergarments, medications needed for that time period, and any specific accessories required for planned activities. This eliminates the frantic searching through suitcases that leaves clothes scattered across hotel rooms. But the real game changer is my emergency cube that contains backup prescriptions, extra glasses, essential toiletries, and one complete change of clothes. This cube travels in my carry-on bag and has saved countless trips when checked luggage went missing or was delayed. Last month in Ireland, my main suitcase disappeared for 3 days, but I had everything needed to continue enjoying my vacation without stress or additional expense. Now let's examine the technology section of my luggage that most seniors completely overlook. This isn't about being tech-savvy, it's about practical tools that solve real travel problems we face. First item is this portable phone charger with built-in flashlight functionality. Hotels in older European cities often have lighting that's inadequate for reading medication labels or navigating unfamiliar bathrooms at night. But the flashlight serves another crucial purpose. It's perfect for inspecting hotel rooms for bedbugs, checking under beds for forgotten items, and examining restaurant bills in dimly lit establishments. The charging capacity keeps my phone powered for 2 full days, which proved invaluable during a power outage in Morocco that lasted 18 hours. Second technology item is my portable Wi-Fi hotspot that works in over 100 countries. Hotel Wi-Fi is notoriously unreliable, and as seniors, we often need internet access for important communications with family, doctors, or handling unexpected situations that arise at home while we're traveling. This device ensures I'm never cut off from essential communications. Here's my controversial toiletry strategy that goes against everything travel experts recommend. Instead of tiny travel-sized bottles that are impossible to open with arthritic fingers, I bring full-sized products and check them in hard-sided luggage. The key is selecting products that serve multiple purposes and packing them in leak-proof containers within waterproof bags. My shampoo doubles as body wash and laundry detergent for washing undergarments in hotel sinks. My face moisturizer works equally well for dry hands and can even condition leather shoes in emergencies. This approach means never running out of essential products in foreign countries where familiar brands might not be available or where language barriers make shopping challenging. The most surprising category in my luggage is what I call my comfort insurance items. These are things that ensure I can maintain my normal routine and comfort level regardless of where I'm staying. First is my own pillowcase made from antibacterial fabric that feels familiar and provides peace of mind about hotel cleanliness standards. Second is a small container of familiar snacks that can serve as emergency meals if local cuisine doesn't agree with my digestive system or if restaurants close earlier than expected. At our age, maintaining stable blood sugar levels becomes critical for energy and mood, especially when dealing with jet lag and schedule disruptions. Third comfort item is my portable white noise machine that creates familiar sounds for better sleep quality. Hotel noises, traffic sounds, and different environmental factors can severely impact sleep, which affects everything from immune system function to decision-making ability during travel. The final category that sets senior traveler packing apart is what I call dignity preservation items. These are things that help maintain independence and confidence when dealing with age-related challenges that younger travelers never consider. This includes items like disposable seat covers for questionable public restrooms, hand sanitizer that actually works against viruses, not just bacteria, and backup reading glasses in 3 different strengths. Most importantly, I carry a comprehensive information packet containing emergency contacts, medical history, insurance information, and detailed itinerary that family members can access if needed. This packet includes photos of all important documents stored both physically and digitally in multiple locations. The biggest mistake senior travelers make is overpacking items they think they might need instead of focusing on items that solve problems they will definitely encounter. Every item in my suitcase has proven its worth through multiple trips and real-world situations. After 72 years of life and countless adventures around the globe, I've learned that smart packing isn't about having everything you might want, it's about having solutions for problems you know you'll face. These strategies have transformed my travel experience from stressful survival mode to confident exploration mode. If you found these packing secrets helpful, subscribe for more senior travel wisdom that you won't find anywhere else. Next week, I'm revealing my airport navigation strategies that eliminate 90% of travel stress for seniors, including the security checkpoint trick that saves 30 minutes every time. Your golden years should be filled with amazing adventures, not packing anxiety and travel disasters. Start implementing these strategies on your next trip and discover how proper preparation transforms everything about senior travel. The world is waiting for you now. You know exactly what to pack for the journey.